Are you drowning in emails and struggling to keep your Gmail inbox organized? Today, I'm going to show you how to bulk delete emails in Gmail, the easiest way to free up space and regain control of your inbox. First, open your Gmail inbox. Up at the top left, you'll see a small checkbox just above your emails. Clicking this box selects all emails on the current page. Gmail usually shows up to 50 emails at a time, but don't worry, you can increase that number in settings or repeat this process across multiple pages. Next, make sure you check all your categories like promotions, social, or updates so you don't miss anything. Just click the category on the left sidebar and repeat the selection process. Once your emails are selected, look for the trash can icon above your list and click it. This moves your emails to the trash, where they'll stay for 30 days before being permanently deleted. Accidentally deleted something? You can recover it from trash within that time frame. If you want to delete thousands of emails at once, there's a handy trick. After selecting the first batch, you'll see an option at the top that says, select all conversations that match this search. Click it and you can delete every email at once without going page by page. And here's a tip. Gmail's labels and filters can help you protect important emails while automatically organizing the rest. That way, you can delete what's unnecessary and keep what matters. And just like that, your inbox is cleaner, lighter, and much easier to manage. With these simple steps, achieving email zen is completely within reach. Happy organizing, and thanks for watching.